Me a shout out your TikTok, and me a shout out your Instagram, I go put it on screen. Because you can't come in and people them town look so, and you know get the attention in a chain. Thing man. She a dancer. She a dancer. We must have a game, see. We now say, I want to big up on yourself and go on there. Life is beautiful, you understand? When me a pass, me go hear, say him take it. Watch and save a joke. Watch your best, big up yourself, same way. We still not take a name from your ear. Alright, now see a road. I love, hear that? No joke. Jet tour, man, nice, oh. Nice piece of machine, man. I like them two enough to tell you God truth. Feel like me the beat one. Auntie. Rockstone, how are going? How are that? But I see a woman missing security at all to right, so look like a lady. A lady lose control and drive in a building to blow out. What happened? Something must have go wrong, man. You alright? Yeah, man, massive. No joke, no doubt. We're there now, we're town. Well, I'm in the ambulance a pass, because we don't know what go on, you understand? Look good. I wonder what go on. Hopes everybody alright in there. You know what I mean? Make sure say you're good, you see me? Yeah. So back at it again, massive. We are in Ocho Rios St. Anne with my brother and my sister Jason and Gina. Massive. Today we are going to walk through Ochi town, show them the vibrantness of the town, the vibe, the beauty, everything, the real Jamaican culture on a different scale. Because guess what? We went downtown Kingston and them say the downtown part of Jamaica. So we are going to show them like the tourism part, the uptown part of Jamaica, the seaside town, the town which had other tourists them forward in Jamaica and say we want to go Ochi, we want to see Dunn River, we want to see little Ochi, we want to see this, we want to see that. You know what I mean? One got Spanish bridge you know walk by and this is town. So you're gonna find people walk up and down in them impy skimpy like Gina where she out in her little piece of city. Yeah. And then you're gonna see man like Jason as a see but those see a tourist you see look at the shirt. He said Jason, the man, what? The myth, the legend. Yeah, only tourists wear the thing in Jamaica. Can you not say the real Jamaican yard but they go back and say which part we bonus clip? I suppose shirt I go back. So I say welcome, blessings and respect. I'm just gonna give them a random tour through the town of Ocho Rios, show them the food, the vibe, the places where we shop, which are the tourists them shop. Bunch of things, a nice church sister here, look for me, I'll do it intro.
Hey,
hello.
Hello.
Yes, please, oh God.
Hello, young
man. Big up and respect to my boy. Yeah, I even see a one man. Jamaica walk by man, I'm here to do an intro. You know what you think? You want on a YouTuber? It looks so weird, clean. Oh, you mean? Hi. My boy, where's watch your channel? Touch me now, man.
Your respect.
Are you subscribed to?
And subscribe.
What's your name? Jevy. You a baller?
Yeah, I play ball.
You play ball? Yeah. Mad no man. That's a code. Big up somebody right now. You think about it? Mommy no come to my net. Daddy no jump on my net. Yeah, big up no man. Come here, man. Big up mommy.
Big up my mother. Big up my friend Halloween.
My
big up my cousin them.
Yeah.
Buddy.
Superstar thing.
Yeah.
I love me. Big up and respect. What a random video run now. This is my friend Jason. You understand how we have Gina. You see me I say? Yeah, but we don't tell the foreigner them about Ochi. A your place. Tell them.
Ochi?
Yeah.
Ochi are one people where, as I can say, like a tourist district.
See? Yeah.
Yeah. You can go around, go some other places. Yeah.
That's all a vibe.
Alright, just hold the vibe, right?
Your question? Tell me one thing that I have to eat while I'm in Ochi.
Aki and salt.
Aki and saltfish.
Alright.
You have to check that out.
That's the main thing?
No, really, but the Jamaican national dish.
Yeah, they will try that.
Yes.
Hey, me rate you now, go get a camera
Thank
and
you.
start vlog.
That's right. Come
Which
on.
part down here you live?
Yeah.
Which part down here you live?
No, like, the part of me.
Oh, like you go Fern Girl side?
Yeah.
Mad thing now, man. Big up yourself and we are connect, see?
I have a YouTube channel still.
Yeah, man, tell me.
Shout out to YouTube
You know,
channel.
gone away.
Yeah, man, tell me, man.
Alright, so in Jevy Don, then I put $3 sign.
So, Jevy Don and $3 sign. And are you that? You have Instagram?
No.
Create an Instagram and link me so you can send me a message. So I can make sure I find the page, because I don't want to search it and find 20 Jevy Don, you know. I don't know which one of them are using.
I'll leave a comment on this video right here.
Yeah, I'll leave a comment on the video. You see?
And I have a YouTube channel. It's called Jason and Gina. So I'm going to give you my card. Subscribe and listen. Send me a message. Leave a comment on my last video with your name, so I can tell everybody to come over there and check you out, young man. All right, success.
Yeah, legend.
Okay.
Star boy.
Yes.
I don't have any phones.
Huh?
Like, I don't have no Wi-Fi or something.
No, you know, oh, right now, me not have it, but me leave my Wi-Fi.
We're about to walk in.
You understand? But don't worry yourself. You said Jevy Don with $3 sign. Me not figure that.
J-A-V-Y.
Ah, see it, yeah. See him with me have in mind.
Jevy Don, J-A-V-Y, $3 signs.
Yeah, good, yo. We rate you.
Walk back.
Yeah, we just go and walk and showcase the town. You see, man, me intro me just go start.
So,
Yeah, man, talk
I
to me.
wonder if we could have, if we could have like, forward.
If you want to go and walk and think, but we see what go on, we just have a showcase anyways. If you want to walk, if we took a couple times, we can chat to you, no problem. You're there, though.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Anything goes, as me tell them. So, massive, we're there and I watch it and me look at General Jevy saying just want to walk. We don't know until Jevy decide to turn off and just so it go. You see me, I say? So, keep watching. We start out beautiful, we have all a nice energy, and we're going to showcase the natural vibe in a Ochi town. With me and my G, Jevy Don. No joking, I think of Babylon. Look good, man. Let's do this.
Yes.
Yeah, massive. So you don't know we're there with Jevy. Jevy, what the plaza the name over this again?
8 Rivers.
8 Rivers Plaza. You buy over there and thing?
Yeah, buy Sakura, juicy patties, KFC, pizza,
You know everything over there, man. Same buy the KFCs, the juicy patties, all the Fanta and the Tutti Frutti, a film spot, him know what go on. Alright, so we'll make you start a show today. Which are you think are best place to walk, start? Which are you that turn if you say you want to show them what go on? Which part you that walk? Did I start off the walk?
No.
Alright, so massive, where I go, so? So yeah, we're there in the town, we have all a good look of vibe with the G, Jevy Don, you understand, Jason and Gina. Let's do this. I didn't even realize the Jane Bank did so big, bro. JN Bank.
So, these captains, you know, really back out again because captain dead, so the vibes now.
Oh, Captain Bakery shut down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you say Captain Bakery, you know what I mean? Captain Bakery are like one of Jamaica, well, once was one of Jamaica's biggest bakery. You understand? Yeah, Captain Bakery. You understand? So, this is one of the spots. They're normally located everywhere in Jamaica, to be honest with you. And them bread and bull are them nice, bro.
So this soup like Allen Grill?
Not really, but more like a bakery. They sell mostly bake pan spot stuff. Rat cake, bun, all of them type of vibe there. Yeah. No joke. Jamaica walk by my teacher. You see me? Yeah, cause you know, say sometimes most of general them not to like a camera business and bunch of things, but big up on yourself, man. Cool, no, man.
So what you on about?
YouTube. You see me, so I just walk around and just showcase the natural vibe, the natural living in our island. You see me, I say? Yeah. See how rich business is about to no rich. Cause they heap a planting and if you rich in our style, man, look good, no, man. Oh, gosh. Oh, you go?
Yeah, man, listen, Question Tour. This is Question people. And we represent the Question Farm. You see it?
Question Farm.
Right, so you can follow the page on all platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. The WhatsApp number, if you want to get planting to buy or planting to sucker, you can just WhatsApp 397-8979. Support a young entrepreneur, you see it?
No joke. Yeah, yo, me can see you in the future big, you know, bro. Cause guess what? You see that something where you see all the camera, I want to say, showcase the thing. None of them don't realize the promotion is key, you know. KFC, you know, still advertise.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, who reach that of them?
Nobody.
All the baby we just born and know KFC. So what make we when I reach now we like KFC now advertise the business.
We don't reach now.
Oh, Yo, so is it true you want to read so when it's so one I do? So watch out, man, me turn up a business here. Them man have the real authentic, ripe and green plant, massive. In a Ocho Rios store with there, you can't miss this. You understand? The man give out the number, him give out the page, shout them. All like people them what Jamaica walk by all over the world, and you want your right, nice, authentic, green and ripe planting, you have to link up the G them. Young entrepreneur in the business, I did the business greatly. See our grandfather you pass through, I spend the money. Big up elder, no joke, no doubt. Hear that? Yes, I. So, when I big up on yourself, you plant them them pine look like a sugar loaf. Right, cheese and peas. Oh, you mean? Let me see them. Cheese and peas. We not have none to put them here now. Oh, we can't carry. We not have none big camp. And then we can stuff them in another bag here. So now do not put two, not give me them for the house. Cheese and peas. Yeah, man, you not have to put me up too much, but thank you. Look at man, look good now, man. God no good. See that, man. Look good, man. I want to talk about it in Jamaica hungry and no want work. What you mean? Come on, man. Look at the general them. You understand?
These are the biggest plantains I've ever seen.
Yeah, man. At Jamaica, this. So you can see say them man have the right fertilizer used, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Oh gosh. Cheese and pea. Oh my word. Me don't know if we can't care so much. Yo, a real G this. Oh my word. Look good now, man. Jamaica walk by. Oh my word, make him cut them up and put them in the bags and stuff it in my bag.
Okay, I am.
Yeah, see how Jevy, Jevy. Yeah, broke off them one by one and see if we can put them in the bag, yeah. I may drop them. You know what right planting too? Yeah. Oh, you mean, man. Oh, yeah. Make your next bag them, teacher. To give Jevy, yeah. Here, Jevy. Do it like this. See it there? I'm look at general this, you know. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. That's on my Instagram. See it then. Jevy, I just 2 you want. You can't get 2. You take out, put in too much, man. Take out more of this, man.
Thank you.
And put in a year bag, man. Come on, Jevy. Yeah, man, that's my Instagram. You know, so I lose my main page. I just start at the one there. Yeah, that's a year one, man. Take out a couple more of this, man. What you mean, Jevy?
Here's my card.
Come on, we're going to do this.
We're from New York City.
No joke. Alright, one ripe one. Alright, make a ripe one there, stay for me. Alright, then you take a bag. Yeah, man, no joke, Jevy.
Leave a message. Let me know. We'll put you guys on the channel. Showcase.
Oh, go again.
Question Farm.
Question Farm.
Right, we have the Question Tours too.
Question Tours.
Because you can see my tours bus this.
Oh, you do tour guide and thing. Oh, you can't miss them, man. Oh gosh, no man. See it then, man. Oh gosh. Do that about the quest.
You guys were over there, right? Yeah, I just saw that.
Mad.
I was looking at this front event.
So the YouTube Jason.
Jason and Gina, same way like on the card. No joke. You see that, my bro? That's how we do it. All real, all natural.
His name is Jason.
And in the name Jason too. Oh, big up yourself, Jason.
I like that. It says, let me say that again. That's King Jason.
King Jason. Yeah. No joke. I'm a master Jason.
Instagram or TikTok?
I'm on YouTube.
YouTube this year. So I'm finding.
YouTube, and then you're gonna see our Instagram is Jason and Gina.
See, come up right up at the top there. Alright, so feed them pages at all. So, see there? That's a code.
Sir, could I subscribe to my YouTube channel too?
Of course.
Oh, you mean? Alright, see there? Clear off that. Find a page. Jevy Don.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, man. True.
And I have some friends that are coming down here next week, so I'm gonna let you know.
Yeah, man.
Huh? No, we've been here
Find
since
it?
last Friday.
Oh, so where your friend come? 3 weeks
Oh, he's coming.
Alright, make us see sometime when I do it, so.
Next week, I'm gonna find out when.
I search.
Exactly when he's coming.
Alright, make us see. Sometimes you have to feel tight. No, come on, go with it. Alright, I'm gonna make sure say him get it. I send your page to him in my Instagram. But when you take it easy and respect here, my G.
Yeah,
Lord, no joke. Jason and Gina. Oh, my YouTube. You connect to my YouTube? Let me show you my YouTube right away. Jamaica walk by. So I try to showcase them.
Yeah, you need to come so we can check you out.
Yeah.
See the Jamaica walk by. So this is my channel. Let me just show you what I'm going to pick off of that real quick. That's on my channel, see it there? Yeah, I hit that, see? Respect again. Outside, and thanks to the plant them, bro. No joke, no dog. Gina, stuff them in my bag right away. You can do it, my friend? I hit, man. So we're outside, Ochi town, beautiful vibe already. Great start, you understand? And I've been a ask you a while. Yeah, green plant and red plant, me teacher. You understand? Yeah, one thing me can tell you, yo, me teacher, me tell them from long time, say, Ochi, hula girl. Them think that joke. You understand? You see, on the look, I go find some bunch of look, jumping on the DM, you know what I mean? So, if you're not, I apologize to the woman from now, because I'm sorry for you. You're not good, youth. The church sister, take care again, yeah? Alright. No joke. What a beautiful vibes. You know what I mean? Big up to all like general them in a place where they on the hustling, a showcase how you do it in a Jamaica. It's all about a bustling community that never stop working. Yeah, man. Yeah. I can make a crossover this side, yeah. Jevy. Hello, manners, easy. What you say then? Eh? Yeah, Jamaica walk by, we just walk to a show a vibe, you know? I'm gonna show my friends them, oh, the place nice. Yeah. Well, I'm $5, I can't pass it. Always find money,
I like Ochi best. Ochi best then.
Big up yourself, me teacher. Go on, man. We say you beat them, man. Draw. All right, me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 against 4, right? 5.
5 love you say you have.
5.5. And this a draft.
Yeah, in the body tape.
It's a draft right now. Why am I dancing happy?
I'm in him Ochi best.
Ochi best.
Ochi best in him.
Oh, you mean?
In the other man.
Go and do it, Yamiji. You go. Aye. All right.
I put them in a world.
He said I put them money in a world. But watch your best. I know say you hold my money paper. Yeah, boy, you beat him, you know.
Can't win it up.
Listen, me man, go on. I write on everything when we have the for him. Watch your best. I beat watch your best another one.
Watch your best, you get distracted.
Yes, man.
Can't win.
Make we see.
Still can't win.
So say look like watch your best now.
We don't have to win it, but we know him can't win it.
Right.
Me don't know if load it, if draw.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Watch your best, like in Ghana road,
Right
man.
now we can lose the game.
All right.
Don't turn him back then, man.
All
I
right.
don't play them a cheap game.
You know,
All right.
we can't be this, so we come back and win the game.
You don't come back and win yet, man. Look, we see.
Team this up.
All right.
Look where I'm out.
Yeah.
Watch your best and team.
All right.
It's a disgrace to
Game
draw.
spicy, you know.
All right, so it's a disgrace to draw.
All right. All right.
Down back in the hand.
No yet.
Today's your birthday.
I'm funny, you know, so I loaded and love that.
Loaded. Draft today.
Go man, they play drivers every day.
All right. So I'm crown. So I'm a flash cross the border now.
I'm
All
going to
right.
try, man.
Should be there, so.
I'm going to try.
Should be there, so.
I'm not forced. It's a disgrace to draw. I'm not that you feel I win if you win the game.
I'm a winning, man. All of my money say I'm a winning, man.
It's a disgrace to draw.
Easy there, so now, my teacher.
Power strong.
We say power strong.
Watch your best gang is one man get up and gone a while ago.
It's a disgrace to draw.
All right.
You try it. Big man, you try game, you know. It's a
Crown.
like.
So my boy crown down there, so.
Get stronger.
It's a disgrace to draw.
Hey, you mean?
Get stronger.
The man try game and the man are going like
Right, that's so now.
I wish the soldiers.
A Jamaica walk by, man, I'm a General Jevy, you understand?
You ready doing it?
Yeah, man, I'm a teacher, man.
Pick up the young gentleman.
Yeah, man, Jevy, one Jevy, you know what I mean?
One job.
Yeah.
Real.
Why me da love to stay and see who really win it. Rockstone, he set him up.
No,
Johnny,
man,
ready?
can't set me up, man. Don't take that.
We see what I'm going to do.
One job. To real.
You lose now. Try your boy. Yes. I thought you want to go first. Stop. Man, lose me no brother. Lose me no brother.
So,
Five.
Watch your
Lose me
best.
no.
I look like you nearly win.
Lose me no brother. You saying should I stop? Yeah. Then you know why would I have my friend stop this one?
A massive game, see. We not say, wanna big up on yourself and go on there. Life is beautiful, you understand? When me a pass, me go hear, say him take it. Watch and see if I Joe. Ochi best, big up yourself, same way. We still not take a name from your ear. Alright, now see I read heart of love, hear that? No joke. It's just a vibe. Jamaica is a beautiful country. You understand?
1 second.
Yes, man.
When you were over there watching the game,
Yeah.
I was talking to this young man, and I said to him, I said, what are you doing for the summer? So he said, not really much. But I want you to tell Jamaica Walk By what you said to me over there.
Alright, so all the time
Yeah.
when I was watching your channel and recognizing that you were passing through Ochi town, I never get to see it in my life. So it's the first time in my life I get to see Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah. So, oh, you realize that me don't and think.
recognize.
Yeah, dog, touch it, man.
He said, I've been waiting all my life
Forget to meet.
Jamaica Walk By. I was like, oh.
And from me say him walk up and him I look serious, I say him still look for me, you know, like him I say, yo, no walk by that. I want him step crowd, me I say, me have to go chat to him, so I say, me put the camera for you. You understand? And then it just bold and bright, so you're bright boy though, head boy though. Yeah. Oh, you
You
mean?
hanging out with us today, right?
Yeah.
We are chill out, man.
Let's go.
We are eat drinks, see start off good, you have all a bag of plot already, so we could do it, but we can't make this up. You understand? So over on this side, you understand?
No,
Yeah.
Sir, Jamaica Walk By, no say I did. That mama send me out still, but
Mama said no.
I wonder if
You-
you like cook.
You know me I go make you do? Me have to go make you go deal with grandma say if you do. Me I go there in night town, you go find me.
Which one?
You have phone?
I got it.
You not have phone?
We here all
Yeah.
day.
We all day in night town. So it depends on how long. Me I go to market. I'm going to go on Main Street and we are going to go to bus park and we are going to just a room. We there.
Or if you can, or I did a wonder if you make it like easier.
Yeah.
If like you, all of us,
Yeah.
just go around there and just gear things them and then just.
Oh, your grandma there in night town?
Yeah.
Lead the way now, man. We can do that then. Remember say we not do no.
Hey.
All right, then we could do that. Ain't smart enough.
Oh, he's gonna give those to grandma.
You can give them to grandma too.
Yeah.
You understand? So as we walk, we will showcase what I go on. So over here is a champion supermarket. The biggest supermarket in our Ochi right now. And we think we get the best price in there too, don't you, Gina?
Yeah.
Yeah, we get really good price.
Prices today, Champion.
Yeah, no joke. So big up to, yeah, don't mind the narrow for forward out. See we tour guide that say juicy patties over there so too as well, no joke, no doubt. You understand? So Ochi Town have a few franchise of juicy patties, so because as you can see we pass one out by the front and then there's another one right so as we go through, you see me? Yeah man. Easy. So we just work with Jevy now, make Jevy go link up grandma and dating. But we just go on video show what go on set speed. Why son hot Jevy, you need a hot dog. Yeah man, you need a hot man. Ocho Rios town.
Great. And today is Javi's birthday.
Yeah, I didn't even mention that.
So happy birthday, young man.
Bro G birthday. Javi, we have to go treat you today for your birthday, you know. Probably not the best you're going to get in your life, but we are going to try our best what we can do for your birthday today. Because today is my spouse's birthday, so you know, so I have that for the bookings already. We are going there, so. I'm mad thing. Mad thing. Easy. We're part of the generator, we make sure say him did everything. One Jevy. Yeah, fire. Jevy, you fit? Yeah. Nice Plaza.
It reminds me of the one we were in earlier. I almost thought we were there. I'm like, no, this is different.
This place have a whole heap of different segment.
We got Burger King.
Burger, you love Burger King?
Not that good. mostly case.
Mostly KC. Colonel.
Yeah, they cook them nice inside.
Yeah.
I mean, like fudge.
So no specific or nothing. We just randomly go through the town. So we just go with our Jevy grandmother there and thing. So in this direction, as me tell you which way we are going, we are forward from Main Street right now. So Burger King. And we are reached from Main Street right now. So what other street are Main Street?
Guys, this is Main Street, Ocho Rios.
Yeah man, Main Street.
See us here?
Main Street. Nice piece of spot. So you have building and businesses on both sides of the road coming from Miami Bay. So if you fall from Miami Bay like Dunn side, you just veer left and you just keep left and you reach from Main Street. Yeah. You know good?
Main Street is a vibe.
Yeah man. No joke, no doubt.
We are right now in Ocho Rios.
Post office. You see me? Yep.
I'm sorry. I'm okay with you about
Well, if I almost got to walk by and I run by, so I don't know me I run.
Yeah, you move so fast, see? Walk, right.
Walk.
Yes, but we understand the so that. So be a kid, be teacher.
It's not extremely busy.
Trying to make sure my wife gets the best camera angle, man.
Watch yourself when you step in that water.
They got run
Grab
them
my shoulder
teacher.
like you about to tear it off.
So we're there.
Look where we at.
Graham Street. I'm on grandma this?
No.
Oh. Yeah, go on do your thing.
Sure.
Come through. Ah, yo, you left them also?
Maybe we can go cause
Yeah, you have things to do.
church service.
Oh, you got church though? Jaja know? Come over here, so. So yeah, Javi I say boy, but grandma remind him say he have a church service and thing. So him can't go to walk with you again. You see me I say, so I go try to see if I can treat Javi if I'm a local token. So he can go buy 2 things for his birthday. I said, I not sure how much I give him. You know what I mean? I think we are going to bless him up, make sure say I'm alright and I'm going to easy for your earth strong. Not true? Oh, you mean? Jaina, I go dip because Javi said him can't get to walk with you again because guess what? He have a church service where I have to go deal with it, see me?
Okay.
So since he must about, I go see if I can bless up Javi with that thing. You know what I mean? And make sure say Javi get a vibe. And see, so Javi, you understand if I'm your lunch and everything? Yeah, we're not really sure up on camera much we are pushing on your hand, but you make sure say you can have a little blessings, you see me?
To them, do not plan to buy me.
Let's take a picture.
Oh, you have to buy a headphone today?
3,500.
Blouse and skirt, hold on there. I mean, you're going good man, you definitely can buy it today. So, Main Street, Ocho Rios and thing. And we just walk with Jevy at Jevy's birthday today and make us see if we can bless up Jevy good.
Well, if I get my free time, maybe we can find me back in that.
Yeah, oh, we say if anything we can find, not true? Oh, you mean? And if you can get to get that headphone today. Big up yourself, Jevy.
Look up forward.
Again, you see me, I say? As a matter of come in, Jevy. You understand? Blessings and respect and take it easy, yeah? Alright, heart alone. Big
So
up
it's
and
so
respect.
nice meeting you, young man.
Put that
Yeah, put your money away.
so you
That's
can,
good. Put it in your front
we
pocket.
can start
Put it down.
doing
And come on, you want to take a selfie with us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get a selfie.
One Jevy, you know what I mean? If you subscribe to Jamaica Walk by and watch your channel,
Don't
no
forget the
joke.
$3 signs after Jevy either.
Yeah, Jevy Don, $3 sign
That's
on
right, it's a
YouTube. Now
$3
find the link and put in a video. People can give you one link and watch your video. Yeah, I could try to take that picture, yeah, right? That's all.
Okay?
Great, Jevy. Oh, you mean?
Yo, shout out.
You got the timer on your phone?
No.
You have to.
Yeah, so we can get the angle right. Yeah man, massive. I don't know, we all natural, we all vibe. It's not a narrating video, anything goes. If you're new to Jamaica, walk by us, so we not stop film. We just go and record, showcase the natural vibe. So when you forward to Jamaica, you know exactly what the vibe is like. So if you have the right attitude, you're going to find the right type of people. You're going to draw in the right type of energy people. You see me, I say, you ready, Gina?
Ready, Jevy? Okay.
Jevy. Come on, Madam Bud. See that we are taking. Oh, it's
Okay.
that is a job. We
I
are
love
link
it.
up
So
here.
when you look
That
on
art, I love my
YouTube, young
brother.
man, you're gonna see yourself on YouTube, okay? With these nice pictures, all right?
Comment on the pictures them so we can find the page here.
You be well and you stay safe out here, okay? God bless
happy
you always.
birthday.
Happy birthday, young man.
Bless up, bro. We are links in.
Yep.
Go and do it.
Even can buy.
Yeah, man. I don't have to me see back in the even to again because see if we can link. See? Big up yourself. Be safe here. Ah, man. So we actually dip on Main Street. And it's a vibe, it's a energy. Alright, so what we're going to do is just walk on Main Street. That's how we're going right round to the town. See? Yeah, we go walk on the side because the sun kind of, yeah, the sun kind of burn up over there. So come true.
Made that young man whole
Man, Jevy, a good youth, man.
made me feel good.
Oh my word, Jevy.
I love that.
Jevy, I walk, I look for me and I recognize him. Say, I look for me away. Like he might say, yo, I walk by that.
I know he been out here. I never get a chance to see him.
Never get a chance to see him. Oh my word, that touched
Today
me.
was your lucky day.
Jevy was a
And it's his
good,
birthday.
good youth, man.
Nice.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Nice. Good evening. Yeah. Man. See? $200 for park over here, so. Yeah. Hourly rate. And thing. So, the cell phone. You have it, right?
Which one?
My one.
Yeah, you have it.
This is him?
No. I'm looking at one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never had this.
I don't remember seeing you with a phone.
Because I'm looking at the one. Yeah. So, massive. Look good. So, this is the craft market I was telling you about. You understand? Yeah. Good old craft market. You want to take a look over there? Let me show you. Let's cross quick. I'm gonna walk here, so. Where's Gina? Oh, you there? I'm not sure now. It's a massive craft market. Yeah, you can get pretty much anything where you want when it comes down to Jamaican vibe, Jamaican goods. Yeah. Yeah, craft market. So I'm just making a seat so we can know. See which I will. Good afternoon, blessed love. Yeah. So nice little craft. You see the thing is a lot of persons don't realize that the craft market up and running, you know, and having loads of stuff. You understand? Yeah. Good afternoon, blessed. So yeah. So you say the foreigner them come in, if people not sure it say the place they are up and running.
Right.
Yeah. You don't know. Because it's massive, it's big, and loads of business around here, loads of persons selling all kinds of stuff, bro. You see me? From Jamaican stuff to handmade craft, everything, Gina. You can get around here. I bet you never know say what's this big though.
See, I love the artwork, but I would not be able to take it on a plane.
Yeah. Where's the mommy? Yeah, I'm just showing them around, show them where the craft market is to make sure that you know where to come. You understand? Yeah, man. It's big, it's massive.
Huge.
Yeah. You get really good prices and things. So one nice day, I'm just showing them around, make sure that they know where to shop, you know. It's Jamaica walk
Yeah,
by.
we just arrived, yes.
Okay, hi, how are you?
Yeah.
I'm fine, how are you?
Welcome back. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm Auntie Andrea.
Oh, hi, Auntie Andrea.
Should make sure the auntie there on
I'm
it.
from New York City, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
And then,
Are your places?
yeah, this is mine.
All of this?
Beautiful.
Super nice.
This is mine. And then my little shop is right here. Come shop.
Here now my little shop. Is it? Can we see what's going on, Miss Auntie?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is your spot. You have some beautiful things here too as well,
Crochet
man.
bar suit. These are for the summer now. These are trending for the summer.
Yeah, crochet.
Yes, and I have a skirt suit too. And I
Man.
have some summer tops, short set. Now we have a t-shirt, we have bags, we have caps.
So Auntie, I'm actually filming because I do YouTube and stuff, Jamaica walk by. So I have a lot of persons watching my channel. So now that you're being so nice and being here, tell them why they must come and shop at you, because
you guys-
they're gonna watch this video and they're gonna walk where I walk and see where I came and to come and support you.
Yes, so,
So-
you guys can come on down to the Ocho Rios Craft Market, and it's beautiful inside here. We have authentic Jamaican goods, and we have some original made here. You know that we have to buy some. So this is my little shop, shop 89, and my name is Andrea. And you can come on down and you can get your souvenirs, your t-shirt, your children's stuff, your caps, your bag, your water shoes, your beach wrap, and we have some lovely Jamaican bags that are made here in Jamaica by Jamaica.
Beautiful.
We do these crusher ones. Yeah. So you can come on down to Andrea's shop, and then we have the guys down there. So we have Miss B right over there.
Miss B.
And that's her shop right there. We have the guys down there. So
Blessed love, Miss B.
Can I ask you a question?
Respect.
What hours are you here and what days?
So I come in the morning. I can come 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock if I wanna.
Yeah.
But I tend to come like 10 o'clock.
Okay.
9
Nice.
o'clock. And
I'm not even gonna ask the prices because I know prices might vary based on the
Yes,
time or
yes,
how things you get
May
goods and
night,
stuff.
yes.
So you know what I mean? And yeah, based on nice customized to you can feel like yeah, all
What
right.
a pleasure
So
it was
you got to fit this
walk
them
through
nice
the craft
there.
market and run into the beautiful Auntie Andrea. You've been one of the sweetest Jamaican women I have met since I have been
Nice
here.
lady.
Yes, so welcoming and warm. So like I said, we just got here. We're just walking around, coming through. But thank you so much for showcasing your beautiful business.
And thank you for coming.
Yes,
And
thank
I
you.
hope to see you another
Yes,
time. And
yes,
bring,
ma'am.
Bring some guests over.
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Yeah, we're gonna try and reach you before we leave, all right?
All right,
Yeah,
darling,
if
thank
we don't get to come right now, don't cuss with. We're gonna do what we're gonna do with the
All
video
right,
because
okay.
we have so much to do and me I try to show them as much as possible.
Okay, thank you very
understand?
much. And you know, these are some crop tops, right? So
Crop
these
top.
are trending for the summer.
Yes, they are. Everybody's wearing their crop tops, ladies. You know, you like
Beautiful.
the little small up here, got the little waist beads
Right.
going on, then you can get the little bottom. Yeah. Get
Nice.
beach ready down at Auntie Andrea's.
Auntie Andrea, look out for we. You hear?
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much.
Heart of love, thank you so much.
Be
I'm trying my best to show them the beauty of the country. Oh my word. So as you can see, it's a nice vibe, it's a nice feel. You understand? The craft market people, them always very welcoming. So I don't know why persons tend to not know about this. I'm trying my best to get as much persons to visit the craft market. Try your best to come on down. There are so much goods here. When it comes down to even handmade sculptures, you will get everything for your home, your business, your office. You have to come at Ocho Rios Craft Market. As you can see, none of these are lies. They are right here. You come off a ship, you forward off a plane, and you forward, you have to forward. Main Street is the place to visit. Support the locals, then make sure that you come. And you can get every and anything, no matter the amount of money you have, then can find something for you everywhere you go in the craft market. You understand? So let's continue on the journey. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, beautiful people, beautiful goods. You cannot go wrong. So you have to come on down to Ocho Rios Craft Market if you want the best, the top tier goods, the quality goods. Ocho Rios Craft Market is one of the #1 space where you have to be. You understand? Yeah. So make sure. A lot of persons want the fake dreadlocks. They are here as well. So you can't go wrong. Chains, big up, good evening, my sister. You know what I mean? See a nice beautiful lady, you have some of the bead chains, so you can't go wrong. You want to feel like you're there at Jamaica, you can't miss. Loads of those stuff. You understand? So my sister says she make these ones. So you gotta come on down and visit Main Street, Ocho Rios Craft Market and thing. So you have to get to visit this place. Yeah, man. No joke. Business is opening and flourishing. You understand? I think I passed like 2 of these shops that are not open, but other than that, every single business is open and blooming as we go through the craft market. See me I say? Yeah? The hard work, trust me, man. Beautiful. Me see a word, I wonder how you carry it back up, but can't find a way. Art I love me general. Blessings, man. You see it?
How would I carry it back to America?
Yeah, man, so it there. It there. And it's massive.
I know, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted one of these.
Yeah, man. So it there. I'm gonna have to come down. Ocho Rios Craft Market. Mad. Yeah, man. So we are back on Main Street. And we are going to town. You see me I say? Yeah. As a matter of fact, I do a video, I go through Main Street already. I go take through some other different part and make on see what I'm going. You see me? Let's go. We have commercial bank. I don't know the Burger King up there, so we walk through there, so not too long. So I could take it through here. So you see me? I'm happy. Yeah, man. All right. Where? No, roots and thing. So them man they have things like arthritis, every kind of pain, wash out,
Watch yourself, Jason.
detox. Watch your brother, yeah. Come. Yeah.
Okay, so it's like natural.
Natural roots, natural detox, natural immune system builder.
Okay.
Yeah, look like him have it all. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So Gina, how you feel so far?
I
feel good?
I feel good, yes.
Jason, feel good?
No, it's good.
You know, and
nice
this
vibe.
is why you don't have preconceptions, because I'm being honest. We had rode past the craft area many times, and I thought to myself, oh boy, I don't want to walk in there. They're gonna just be hawking us to buy stuff, and no. It was
Sometimes
the
they,
total opposite.
yeah, sometimes they do have that, but today them calm and thing. You will get a nice natural vibe from them.
Yeah, today was nice and natural. The people were welcoming. Everybody was smiling, and Auntie Angie, Andrea, she was really, really nice. So yeah, it was a good experience. I loved it there. I did.
Man.
I didn't want to flip it. I remember what
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No joke.
Continue.
Yeah.
So
So
great.
we are walk through the town.
And I like the fact that a lot of the stuff there, she was honest about some of the things that she had to buy and what was authentic and what wasn't. I appreciated that.
Yeah.
'Cause
No
sometimes
joke.
people try to make you think like, oh, this is authentic, handmade. I was happy that she did that.
Alright. I'm one thing, man. Oh yeah, massive. We are sightseeing in the town at Ocho Rios town as Gina and Jason get them first-hand experience going through. And all around the day I watch, so I don't know we're not telling a lie, and we can't make up this. We can't make up. Yo, watch a Rasta man the ear. Blouse and skirt. Gina, the man here talk. Blessed respect. Boy, I'm not even seeing now, you hear me see, And foreigner, I show the foreigner say, yo, you want to see the Rasta the here. You don't mind, me can't get a closer look. I love me general. Boy, I'm not telling a lie, boy. I say, me a man and me have to look on the ear like, yo.
Yeah, man, I bless you.
Blessed man, the man clean to him stepping in him clocks. Gina, come look on the man.
Wow. Yes.
Yeah, these are my friends from America. First time in our Ocho Rios and everything. Yeah, this is Jason. Yeah, see a real authentic Rasta man. Yo, look, can see it? Can catch you here?
Gina.
Yeah, man, I'm Trevor,
You're a recording artist?
No.
You're not recording artist?
artist vibes. That's
You're
what
not
I
chef? You look big up, no man. The man clean.
I bless you.
Mr. Trevor, turn me can't catch you here. Turn around, make you see. Lord Jesus.
Beautiful.
How long you been growing this for?
Well, I know how long still, but it's been a while.
It's been a while.
I love
Yeah,
it.
man, you treat it good to a family.
Yes, man.
Really nice, man.
You have to make sure you say the things good.
You see clocks?
Yes.
Look good now, man. You can't so clean and pretty and the mesh marina, you know, see the clocks on the foot,
It's smelling
man.
nice too.
Jeans from afar.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man.
Yes.
Jevy.
Thank you
Yeah.
for being so kind. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
Art of love,
Blessing.
art of love. Yeah, we don't him just catch with eye. We have to give him a yell, you know what I mean?
Yes, and
Mr.
I'm
Trevor.
yes,
Blessings and risk. A Jamaica walk by here.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Yeah, the man elegant. The man have the feel, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Clean, man. Clean. Jevy is back. Jevy probably find a right excuse if you don't go to church. Jevy, mind the plant a track up and we know you find you back so quick.
He said his mother, he told his mother who he met, she said, yeah,
Okay, you can go.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
So, Jevy, where can I find a bottle of cold water?
Which part you da buy your water? You want to go in the supermarket? Oh, you want? Oh, in there, sir? Could see if we can get some water.
Cold water.
Sorry, my friend. Buy water in there, sir. Man.
In the body plate now.
Quick and fast. Yeah, man, take more water. Then have water in it. Water. Which brand that? The catching peak, me not really. You're catching peak good enough, but give me, take out another brand. Parcel. What that? Yeah, give me the eye code. Yeah, no, Joe, me work with it. You want one too? Take out one for me too. I think I understand. Yeah, you want water too? Yeah, man, take out water, man. Understand? Yeah, we'll go do this one. You don't want one to Jason for yourself? Alright. Come on. I'll just cash this right. Jevy, it's on a hot thing, brother. Oh, right. Oh, see, teacher, say road and stuff. So this is one like convenience store in our island. One thing. Yeah. Yeah, Gina. Lasco Jack Mackerel.
You ever had the canned Jack mackerel?
Grace. We eat the product then with woman name.
So you've had the Grace in the can.
Yeah, Grace Mackerel. We got Grace. You see if you buy Lasco, just buy Lasco Mackerel.
There's milk.
It's good?
Good evening, my friend. That's the last time we buy Grace. We eat the product there with the woman name them Grace. I think. Yeah. Oh, water. How much water we have? Three water. You hear my friend?
Put up the stuff and
And these. Oh, you have that one at all. See that? Give me your one so she can scan it. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, 3 water. That's it. Yeah, can collect this.
255.
Yeah, man. Take care. Thanks. What's the brand mackerel that you guys have in America?
Mackerel? I don't eat canned mackerel.
Oh, you not eat canned mackerel?
But it would be Grace.
Me love it bad, especially mackerel and
We have
dumpling.
like the corned beef.
Or corned beef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never saw this brand of corned beef before.
That's our Lasco.
Which one you prefer? Lasco or Grace?
This, Kendall.
Kendall mad too.
Kendall is better?
Yeah. We not say better,
Pepper,
best,
pepper.
it depends on your taste.
You got some pepper in there?
Yeah, y'all gonna love that because
y'all gonna love
it's spicy.
And how much is a can of this, Kendall?
It's not expensive. I'm not sure how much is this one.
This one is original. This is hot and spicy.
Oh, wow.
That's what you like?
They have hot and spicy
Yeah.
corned beef, guys.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to get a couple of cans of this before I leave.
Yeah, don't
I never had hot and spicy corned beef.
Corned beef.
You know how much a can of corned beef costs in America?
Make it
This
$5.
can of Grace no, this is about maybe almost $9 a can.
Chacha don't.
Yes, darling.
Oh, no.
This is a delicacy
That's
in
right.
America. Yeah.
$9.
Lobster. That's
This is like lobster.
Jesus.
And when I was growing up, kids used to tease us saying, "Oh, you're eating dog food."
No, man.
Get it? No.
Wait. Me love it, but me not gonna tell you no lie.
Jason loves corned beef too.
Me love corned beef. Man, that's my teacher. Yeah, man.
Have you been?
Yeah.
You might get it 2 for $6, maybe. And if you do, it's all gone. The shelves are empty. Yes.
Yeah. And we have whole heap of different kind. Whole heap of brand. Yeah. Hold on, where my water there? Right, now sister, I left my water. Yeah, take up water then. How we are doing? So we left the water then. And when the tourists lick me a while ago, I like, but wait. You don't take up the water. Alright, respect that. Cool.
Yeah, that cool, you see. But it's warm.
Yeah, you ready? Jevy, lots of beautiful ladies there, Ochi man. Yeah. So one in front of you there. Beautiful ladies. Good evening.
You know what I noticed? That there are not a lot of street food vendors out there.
In a Ochi, not like this hour.
Okay.
And come out like later. Today Friday, it turn out a rampack with street food vendor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right. When the sun goes down
Yeah.
tonight.
And come
It'll
on.
be more like a party vibe.
Yeah, right. When the sun out, you're hard to find it.
Greetings, people of the nation of the
Godfather, real roots, easy.
Domino.
Yeah, man. So, I don't remember which street this and thing, but yeah.
To make it easier for the how many microphones? My husband has on one and I have one.
Yeah. Some of them plaza, yeah, them does remodel and thing. You have Domino's. See one next big Domino's company here. That's one of our pizza. Yeah. Pizza company. So we have like three top pizza company. Little Caesars, Domino's and Pizza Hut. So see Domino's there.
So let me ask you something. You guys don't have pizza shops like regular businesses where people make pizza?
Some, yeah, like some.
Okay.
To tell you the truth, not many though.
Okay.
Yeah, people do them food place.
Okay.
Yeah. Manners.
Yo.
Yes, me up.
Blessed me teacher.
Blessed.
Oh, it's What? Loads of. I watch you with there, yeah man. Them there enough. Enough. Ocho Rios town. A mad thing, man. See street sign there? What that say?
Who to go?
The name Evelyn Street or Evelyn that me say.
Oh, that's Main Street over there. Who gonna catch that
Evelyn
one?
Street,
That's
that
too small.
this.
That's like 91st Street.
Evelyn Street. Want a girl bigger now. Drop this now. Jason and Gina now walk like on a fool no town. What we say, Javi? Outside road.
You can order.
Yeah. Woman, yeah. So pretty much there I asked at Ocho Rios store. See there? Evelyn Street. See sign now.
So now I got more places.
Yeah, man, we just go and walk. So, I earned that, you know.
Wow.
Man, yeah.
He said, where you go? He said, where you go eat that?
Look where I go, idiot.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Where you must say,
right in the lady face.
I walk and now look where I go, eh?
Crazy work.
Yes, I see it there. My place. So we have a bunch of tourists forward to say, you see, other persons actually check out the town too. Yes, man. So, it's a vibe, you know. So what we're going to do, we'll go back on Main Street and we'll go up the road, kind of show market a little bit, come out at the bus park so we can get a good little vibe.
Or maybe later in the video we can go over here.
What you say, walk them over 8 rivers?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Jason. I could go down somewhere and think. One Jevy.
How much do you pay for one of these GoPros?
So I'm been there. Yeah, man. Yeah. Town. So you have a town center. Town center. I mean. Center of town, bro. Center. I mean. Woo! Outside, hold on, quick cross. Ah, wait, in the pan green. Alright, come in, fast. Respect. Yo, I see one dolly, and I want to showcase a dolly. You see me? Jevy, we are catch one dolly. See her over this all and dance and sit. Come in. She a dancer. Big up on herself. A Jamaica walk by me, I go over there. Wait. Hold on. Come here. Big up yourself, my friend. Jamaica walk by. We follow you on Instagram too. Just to see you here, as we come reach out today, as we see you here, you're good. Big up yourself. She's actually one of my friends on Instagram. We follow her, don't mean her tone. And Miss Coco running down a while ago, she over here dance, brawling. And now, you can't so silent now, you know. You can't be so shy now. You understand, we in a fear town. You can't hide. You understand, big up yourself. We say the one, the camera today, you big. Let me give you a shout out. Me a shout out your TikTok and me a shout out your Instagram. I go put it on screen. Because you can't come in and people them town look so and you know get the attention in the chain. Yeah. You're real dolly, man. They make it look so bad. But anyways, I showcase my friend them in the street. Take care. Go on the music video them. You go on. Bad. You see if you need the writer so make you dance and do all like stop hiding, man.
Alright, no, yes,
I don't want your eye. Look boy, here. Come in, Gina. Chin said no camera today. Don't left out the yard. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, joke. So she's actually a girl we follow each other on Instagram. We actually put her in a few music videos. So she did a few music videos. When we get close to her, we really see she, you know, she hide her face. Because you know some of them say they want to make sure say they fully dolly down. You understand, Jason? And you have to understand that. So we don't too load her up. So she a ball. So big up yourself, Chin. Anyway you're there. I watch this from today. Yeah. One chin. Yeah, man. Honestly, I love mothers, you know.
Really?
But Anna my favorite.
It's your favorite?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not your favorite?
Yeah, so
Okay.
big up mothers, same speed. Cause usually, if me I go get mothers, me I go the other one. I must probably out of reach.
Okay.
You know, like you have 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yes.
But you if me's a man, you know, me not really run risk. So if me know say fried chicken, me love me just stick to fried chicken.
Okay.
But even though me still eat stew peas, if not fried chicken not there, me just second for stew peas. You understand, Gina?
You eat stew peas and fried chicken together?
No, me never do that.
No, like I order stew peas and a piece of fried chicken. That's what I mean.
You know, me never do that mix there.
No? Sound heavy and good.
Just stupid.
Yeah. So we still up on Main Street. Yeah, I don't mind Chin in the on her height today, where she da want in her camera. But then see who real Chin is. Alright, at the market then. So, to go this way, you gotta find the market house where all of the market produces and all of the things that they. Yeah, so Main Street is the street that we walked up where we go at the breakfast spot. Where they get the breakfast and thing. So we're gonna go through the market and we'll go up on the other side. Because there's not much to see. The town pretty much done right up there, so yeah.
Oh, so it ends up there.
Yeah, the town pretty much done. If you go up nowhere, we'll go up on the outskirts of the town. You understand? So we're going at the market area. Make you see the market.
We got a big tour guide right here, yo. Good.
Yeah. Today, Jevy and we are on the show. And to be honest with you, majority of the town them in Jamaica kind of set up the same way. You have the market where them sell this and then sell that and all of them good stuff there, you see me? So make we go through, massive. Make we go through. Yeah. And Gina, one time you that say, if the girl a little girl, no, she way up in her 20s. Yeah. Way up in her 20s. She look young. Gina says she want to make sure say she's not a minor. You see, and I like foreign. You see how foreign girls them big, but then young. Out here, so most of the time, friend, you see them big. When me the upside then say most of the people them the food make them blow up. So you realize them I go foreign, me not talk to them. Cause I don't know, man. Yeah. So market produce.
Way different than the market in Kingston.
It's a way different.
Yeah.
Because in a Kingston most of the food end up on the ground too.
Okay.
And by right the food them not supposed to be on the ground.
Oh.
They're supposed to be
high
elevated.
up. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So you can see say most of the people then down here I work with the procedure.
As we were about
Yeah, I had some when I was here. I had some.
Yeah. Are the apple Jamaican apple?
Yeah, I had some ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
I did.
I'll
And
go check that.
before I came here, I didn't really care for ackee because in America we don't get the fresh ones. We get the ones in the can.
Yeah.
So it's a totally different taste.
Watch
So
your car,
yes,
watch
I
your
did
car.
have the opportunity to have some. You're right. So that's the national dish of Jamaica, ackee and saltfish.
Saltfish.
You don't think it should be jerk chicken? No?
Alright. I don't want to watch your market out here. I go up that side and then we'll go down. Yeah, man. That's a crux in a real crocodile. Your Crocs
You know
pretty
I'm
though.
extra. I'm extra, you know that.
Yeah.
I'm extra.
Come in. So we're going to market also. One bag juice. Yeah, me I try find. You know, say me have been a look though, Gina. If me can find bag juice here. I'm not find it yet. Good evening, good evening. Me I try say me can find bag juice. Just not see none yet. Almost find. Oops. Any of me spot no bag juice, me I make sure say you get it, yeah?
Bag juice.
Yeah.
Still up by your shop.
Oh, better.
Yeah,
You see all the general, I look out for your Jada. Easy.
Thank you.
Right there, great shot. Where's it from your teeth? Where's the calls? Yeah.
Let you get it, bro.
Right there, great job. Yo, Gina drink the Carlsberg juice downtown and from that. I wish one of them. Why shop lock?
Maybe you can get it.
Shop lock. Let me see. Bag juice, who sell bag juice? Where? I in the so. Oh, we pass it.
Okay.
Yeah, we just pass it.
Baby, look.
Yeah. You find money too? We not stop find money, man. See shop now. Good
Baby,
evening.
I'm always finding something.
You have Carlsberg juice?
No, I'm not sell Carls.
You not sell Carls? Nices. On them nices, bud like the Carls. What you would say?
I don't know. I don't drink it.
How much your nices bag juice? Alright, big up, send one of your nicest bag juice, me test it. I make Gina test it. Go and feed Javi. See? No, just one bag juice. I tourist, my tourist friend. Oh, she a tourist today. Can be a show her Ochi. Me just want, she tried the Carlsberg juice and it is mad.
Oh.
So she want,
What flavor? What kind do you have?
want to go look and see which flavor.
Pepsi flavor?
No, like more like a fruity. You have no fruit punch flavor.
Fruit punch.
Like syrup. Like
Hold on. You have mix up this thing, you know. You have bag juice.
no,
You have
no.
fruit.
I got you, but I need like a fruit punch bag juice. That's why I made that say Carls because Carls sell like a fruit punch bag juice, like a syrup
yeah,
flavor.
fruit punch.
Yeah, we don't want no like no Pepsi or none of them flavor. Yeah,
We feel good in here.
like a actually, oh, you're underneath the fan. Breeze. How much is your feet again? Oh. Me I hope say nice is taste good like the Carls.
Yeah.
The Carls they're refreshing. Me I make sure try one first
It
and
was
test
kind
it.
of frozen too that day. Oh, it's good.
If you find on with a little bit of ice, that would have even matter.
Like you can say flake.
Yeah, flake. Hey, Javi, the easy. Javi say, I love it with the flaky. You know what I mean? That means say ice soft and just like right between freeze. Yeah.
She don't have the cow.
You
She has the
looking like a
different.
Jamaican. You looking like a
See
Jamaican.
that one?
Him
she
look
got
like a
right
yard
there?
man,
That was
though.
very refreshing. That one right there?
Yeah.
What kind is that? Fruit
Brooklyn
punch?
man. Yeah, one like that me attack.
Exactly.
So that like the bag juice there, but maybe turn that on the cars that are nices. Are nices.
Okay, so
It's
she
probably
has the
good.
nices. Let me try
Watch
that.
your back, James.
It's good?
Watch your back.
Yeah, she says it's good.
Come true, Godfather. Yeah. All of them are recycle back and go sell back, you see me? You get a good look of price on them if you can find them. Not true, daddy. See there? More you test it still.
Never tried it, but
Nice
you
is-
know Carls.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, let's make she taste it. That's why if anything we can buy more. If she love it. Beat up it. Here. We are pay the lady. Oh, you're going. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, yeah? You want one to Javi?
Yeah.
Take one now. Get Javi one of them nices there. What your teeth tonight? Let's see, I go suck some juice. In Jason? Yeah, I suck some juice. Vampire. Oh, God. Yeah, but if it's just a nice vibe, nice experience. Ocho Rios market. But you know. Other one at taste?
It's good.
It's good. What me not say give me that Carl's reaction there?
Yeah, you know what it is?
Yeah.
The other one is cows, right?
Rockstone I back to Japan.
Cows is sweeter.
Cows have sweeter. So you like it refreshing and sweet?
This one was good, but the other one was sweet, like drinks, like you said.
Yeah, buckle drop off. Couple of them drop off down there.
Oh boy, don't fight the man.
Oh, say it to him, yes, sir.
Let me see. No, let's get his reaction.
Yo, bro, say tell him man a while ago, say, yo, them want to catch up, them are going to drop off, and as in go down there, so then drop off. Javi, what you say? Bad? What Javi did with it?
Excuse me.
Go through, mommy. Yeah. The nicest gang go on.
Yeah.
Which one? This one accounts for you. Which one?
Yes.
Javi love Kals.
Yeah.
I mean, but it's still refreshing same way. But I agree with him.
Go through my church sister, man. I feel you road the whole way. I'm not chuck on that, man. Yeah. I'm mad to come through, yeah. Yeah. Just not sweet, yo. Oh, you eat of yourself, bro?
Sounds good.
Jeez.
Like you in Africa. What's your
You ever sit like in the Africa? I said, me that sitting in the Africa?
Yo, man.
What's that? Wait. You're working at AC, and that's why, man. So when your body reaching a heat and all, yeah.
So I got my bag juice, and the journey continues.
Yeah.
5,000 custom bill, one shot back.
Go through Godfather, man. Yeah. Alright, man.
Yeah, can't be cheap.
So, pretty much a market this, but you know, a market house and thing, you can go through some, go around. The whole of them places, so I have to go through. I could just go around. I got a bus park. We're gonna see bus park. I think. Yeah, man. No fire, I know we just go through. Respect, bro. Yeah, man. But you see, this when I send them there Africa, then they stand up in the sun. We can't do that. Yeah. In Jamaica, then when I say they know who be man. We can't stand up in the sun, so. You understand? We don't know what them do in Africa. But I like the seat though.
Man, it's right there. Yeah, man, I
got that way. Wow, go on, manners.
He don't want to
Good afternoon.
Brooklyn, them man forward from Brooklyn.
You know, National and St. Mark's.
Can I sit to like a post for me, please? My name.
You know, National and St. Mark's.
Say again?
She's in a competition with JMMB.
You know, you take a street here.
Yeah, you took a very
Which other post there?
Attention.
You know,
What's she doing?
So it's an advertisement for JMMB.
Oh, when the competition expire?
Yeah,
Linden.
you know, that care,
Tuesday?
But my place, man.
So
See, I'm never see it, man.
go on the Instagram page.
MUA.
All right, me try. Gina, you have your phone?
Black Bishop there.
Gina, let me Gina
From
phone.
each person.
Yeah, me not have my phone a while ago. Me just realized I left mine in the van. Jamaica walk by. I show them. I watch the market. I show them.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Jason, put
see our next final.
her channel. Take a picture of her channel, because you know I don't have Wi-Fi out here.
You gotta give me a second, man.
Yeah.
My husband's gonna take a picture of your channel, of her channel.
More I like our post right now, so she see.
Hold us.
Service on this one?
No, but I'm just gonna take a picture and then we can do it when we get home.
Oh, okay. Oh, you see? She want to know. She want to make sure. Me not wrong you.
Right.
Me not wrong you.
Hold this real quick, baby.
Oh, that's her. Oh,
Okay.
Hold this for me, real quick.
yeah.
That's her.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, and I'm
Big up
Jason.
yourself, man. Yeah, man. A Jamaica walk by, man. Me there.
I'm from New York City. How you doing?
Yeah. Oh, more time me always leave on the camera. Just the voice here.
See, no, just no.
Yeah.
So you can support me as
No, we are doing it right now. Without a doubt. You understand? So
We're doing a vlog of the whole entire
Watch it
place
out.
right now.
So what did you do? What did you do? Can I see it? Can I find what
So
you do?
I did a jingle.
Yeah.
Because I'm a teacher by profession, guidance counselor. But I want to branch out into this because it's a
Okay, turn
second
it on.
talent. So why not?
She's one of the finalists.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's in fourth position.
Building greatness for you and me. Greatness for you and me. Feel the heartbeat. When you talk about financial freedom.
Yes, sir. All them teach.
When you know
Easy teach.
through the door, the solution you can't ignore. More love. Feel the heartbeat. More love. Feel the heartbeat.
Easy
I just
teach.
know we do it with JMMB. With love, care, honesty, and integrity. That's why JMMB.
Artist.
Building greatness for you and me.
So teaching are your second love. Let me see. What's your page? Then tag you? Oh, then the one then tag. Oh, over the top. Let me find your page.
On my page.
Oh, it's on your page. I want to make sure I'm go up on your page. This is your page?
Correct.
So massive. See teacher. On the run, go over teach page right now and go like that video. Yeah, no joke. See it there? Easily. You understand? Big up yourself, my friend. Big up and respect.
Yeah, man.
Art of love. We are connect right now. See it there? She jump on.
Warrior Blue underscore.
Yeah. Now I can go and hold on that, Jevy. You honestly, man, Jevy, I give back my change. Nothing remember about that.
So guys,
Yeah. Watch teach.
this young lady's in the competition.
Yeah. So I say I love music.
Yeah, man. From here too.
Teaching, I just a profession. My second love. Or something we have to do. I'm a singer too, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a singer. I used to sing back in the days and things. I have to put it down a little bit though. And go on the YouTube. Cause it's nice same way. Luckily, me have only for first love. You see me?
From New York City.
Yeah. Then do it. I am mother.
Your mother, your auntie.
Yeah, auntie. And mommy. Heart of love, man. Continue support. Nobody tell nobody say your daughter. You look too little, brother. Honestly, I wouldn't. Yeah. I'm just telling you the truth. I would. I thought you were a friend. Yeah, I was looking that you were a mother. And to be, you know, they look like you more resemble to she do. Yeah. Maybe I didn't hear.
The blood's strong.
God is good all the time, man. Don't take it easy. Teach. We are go through. Remember, subscribe. Jason and Gina, Jamaica walk by.
You got a card, right? Everybody got a card?
All right, then blessings and love. Yeah, take it easy. Teacher have talent, you know?
Let me get my juice.
Oh, no, play a teacher, you know?
That was so
Want
nice.
to see if we can make teacher win. Yeah.
Support us free, guys.
Easily, man.
As we walking through the market, then I went from Rios.
Instagram producer.
Eh? You have open your Instagram?
Big time.
Yeah. Oh, but you have to create one. You have to click on this and create one. You have to have an email address and then thing that too. Yeah. Sorry about that, my teacher. Yeah, man. Outside.
Join his Instagram and he didn't even have an
Yeah.
Instagram.
If me that in all in one create one, right? If me have a time, I create it for him and I swear to you, you know. Yeah. You know that?
I know what's that.
Star fruit.
I've heard of it before.
Yeah. I try enough walking here, we don't have a space.
I want to try that. How much is one?
I'm not sure. But just the whole bag, I don't know. You probably could have, but I don't know how sweet them is. Big up and respect. Jamaica walk by, my friend. We just a pass through, you understand? Yeah, heart of love, man. You be like, I might talk that in there every time, man. Not yesterday, alone. Every time.
Every time.
Heart of love. Yeah, you mean? Yes, sir. So, wow, you know, nicest bag juice, do boy. Nicest bag juice.
I mean, Cal's is better.
Watch out. You look like you need another one, Jevy.
Cal's is way better. But this will do.
Yeah. So been there. Alright, so we are the market house have enough different exits based on where you go. You understand, Gina? The market house have many exits based on where you're going.
Like every exit is
Yeah. Cartel. Yeah, so we reach at the St. and Parish Council. You understand? The transport center for Ochi. Outside, what are you know? All is For goodies, you understand? I'm mad sitting, man. One Gregory Isaac, man. Outside. You don't know, me still skeptical of copyright because I want to have the video as authentic as possible. You understand? So, as you can see, transport center. You understand? So, let me show them the transport center. The bus park, every little thing. Yeah, man. A mad thing. So this here is Ocho Rios bus park and transport center. You understand? You can't miss. So you can get a vehicle here if you go anywhere in the center. So vehicle run from here, so go Spanish Town. Vehicle run from here, so go Miami Bay, Discovery Bay, Brownstown. Basement where you go, I hear so you forward. The whole of the stretch I go down, straight back at the bus park, taxi stand, minibus stand, and all of them things. You see me, I say we can't go wrong. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. What you have to say?
We don't have like a most like special one like over there, so like Maxi tour and all them things, the Juta. Yeah, everything.
I Jevy Don, you know, man.
I know.
Oh, yeah, man. Come here, we have our next exit down there, so we'll go forward out from. You understand? Oh, this is Jamaica walk by. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Big up and respect. Oh, yeah, you can down the whole Jamaica we had. Oh, you look so sharp. I like your glass.
Hey, love me, no.
I like your glass, man. Go through now, man. Your glass neat, man. Easy now, man. Hey, you can't say it, man. God good is all the time. Yeah, wait, run taxi. Wait, run bus.
No, but auto body. Bad car drive.
Bad car you drive. Where's the 10 seconds?
Yes, you want to start it.
I see start it, you know. How much you run it?
I boost still, but about 10 pound a boost.
10 pound. What I say? You know, I have a dress back and look good, you know.
Young boy.
Where say you're not put against Sanchez yet?
Old boy with a young man. You know I go.
Young man body and Kiara, young man life. Listen me, we as old as we say or we feel. Remember good no man? You understand?
13 boy,
13 boy. Yo, I'm going to Gina. Take Gina. Yeah, what up on Gina?
Never boy and live good here.
Yeah.
The young boy like
I love me teacher. Gina, what up on Jessica? Yeah, hey. It look like you've been touching you. The boy your belly big.
Look, he touched me and I have a phone too.
She's nice, sweet and sexy.
You see where 13 you come?
Your body out here.
Nice. Jesus Christ. Gina. Listen, you see your commercial. Hey, listen, we got to fade up. What is my name?
Jokes my name, man.
Jesus Christ. That means it's addictive, you know. What jokes?
Oh, yeah.
Easy.
And Gina, give him a card. How much we?
How long are you there for?
You go to the gym for?
No, none.
You don't go to the gym?
Oh.
Bad girl. Oi. Yeah, you want songs to get your body good?
Your body good. Oh. Yeah, you more sweet like a sugar. Ah, Gina, weird. Listen, man, how much you want to say, man?
I'm a DJ, and apart from that,
DJ?
Yeah, so you know I go.
Easy, man. Lyrics. Always. Big up Mr. Jugs every time.
I'm going to give you my YouTube card, Jevy.
Easy, man. All Mr. Jugs.
Gina, you're so sweet.
Yeah, man. Easy, Mr. Jugs. Outside. Jevy, Mr. Jugs, tough. Oh, God. Big up, respect. See it. Yo, Mr. Jugs, you can't play with Mr.
Drugs and stole my heart, y'all.
You can't play with Mr. Jugs, man. Mr. Jugs will come out of a run, joke. Yeah, Mr. Jugs are 13, you with him gone.
Yo, I can't find Mr. Jugs because bad man.
Mr. Jugs is about to get me to stay in Jamaica. I want to leave it.
Mr. Jugs. Yo, your man, where you get that name from?
I think he was trying to take me to his car.
Where you got that name from, right?
I like to know. But me feel like you have something to do with that 13 youth there.
I had a feel because you gotta
stop
put,
it.
you gotta approach my Mr. Jugs.
I think Mr. Drugs wanted me to stay in Jamaica. I don't know. You better treat me right.
Yeah. Better treat Gina right, bro.
I know where to find him.
Shut Mr. Jugs. Yeah, you run from the argument, you know. Alright, as we continue. Have what a vibe. It's an energy here in Ocho Rios town. Just going and I'm going to hold a vibe.
Javi with don't forget the $3 sign.
Great Jevy. Jevy Don with $3 sign at the end.
Tell me, when last time you watched Jamaica?
Last time? I can't tell last time, cause I like every video I'm coming.
Oh, that's how you beat it.
Alright. You never know what you're gonna find. Every day you gotta pop up, right?
Just every day. You just open your screen.
I see something.
Yeah.
A mad thing, Jevy Don. Oh, you find some money, I know. It look like show me how you what, then just I show you.
Or like in time I was on TV.
Yeah.
I watch the TV. I'm just see Jamaica walk by pop up. So
you wonder what this?
Yeah. I'm just click on it. When I click on it, I realize one video nice. When I start watching a cartoon again. It's just weird.
Because it's something different, because you see your culture. You can probably try something like it, because I say you have a vibe, you have energy. But you have to get a cameraman and do it, bro. Oh, you mean? So, Jamaica way. Walk out to your son. Bro, man. Easy. Yeah, me I show them what I go on, and now Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Nah, I got Spain yet. Yeah. They want to see Ochi.
Alright, you mean?
Yeah. We're not too long range, man. Yeah. Beggar run, let me teacher. Beggar run. Yeah. Are you a place, man? You're good. Grandma. Yo, that video is sweet, boy. What a vibe. Yeah, brother. Come show mommy, make you the road. No, we're not ready yet. What a walk. We just a walk, bro.
That's it.
Ocho Rios town. Gina, we say it's town festive. Yeah. I like it.
I remember last time I did a watch a video.
Yeah.
And they did a video like in an intro. They did a video one lady who did a cook.
A cook?
Yeah.
How you mean?
She did a dance and I listened to the song also.
Yeah, a mountain view video that she cook crab.
Yeah.
Yeah. That a Nadine. Mountain view video that. Father and son. Yeah, in my experience mountain view video. Yeah, that is a big video.
I remember one.
See Jugs, yeah?
Yeah, right.
One miss at Jugs.
Square I'm recording all this. It's square up. The video them work.
Yeah, man, it's a record.
It's a work.
Yeah.
But Aquelo.
Aquelo.
There you go. Oh, God. Yeah, God is good. You know me, I'm a senior citizen in the community. You got bad started.
Yeah.
My son first.
Yeah, it start well.
Always well.
Yeah, man.
Escuelo.
Escuelo. That's your artist name?
I'm name artist name Aquelo.
Aquelo.
QULO.
Yeah.
Plaza until death.
Figure that?
Yeah, it is what it is.
So listen, you know, say you have to go make a year to Otai Bobbin. Yes, man, you have to reel out one man. Beg you one of them people them.
At the street, some boy street, yeah?
Anyone.
Show me say street. At the street, it never unique and it never yet sweet. When me take on the street, food that we eat. I know me mission, I know no complete. I mean, they don't see, set out cheap. That's why every day me take on the street. Come in want food out there, me have to maintain your seat. That's why me have to take on the street. Hey, Quello, from St. James we are the street. Carnation Market downtown, know we do it. Sabda Mark, carrying down the same street. All London City Road. But that's we cut it.
Squalo, easy. Big up my brother, no joke, see? How them can reach you? Anyway.
My global.
Yeah, you're up on YouTube too already, all of them.
Road.
Squalo.
That's why I eat some food.
Me not watch YouTube, but that's why I eat some food. Yeah.
I know the international and local. I like the promotion. Because one Quello, so put out this answer Quello. One whole heap of people, I want to do. You will not give me car, brother.
Yeah, man, that are them YouTube channel, Jason and Gina. Quelo.
Okay.
Me like your name, me like your name, me like your style.
Quelo.
Yeah, let me say who him? A Quelo. Big up every time. Easy, man. That is it. Guidance for the ground, hear that? That is it. A Quelo.
That's it.
Look good now, man.
Quelo.
Who was that?
Quelo.
Quelo.
You can't.
Jeez, Gina, who was that?
Quelo.
Quelo.
That's his son.
No, Ada. It's not, yo, he man drop a song like a Quelo.
The one
Yes.
Stop us. Is your video working?
Man say, it a record?
Yeah.
Oh, it a tape? Gaza never rape.
That's it.
Yeah. That is it. I mean, the man say Aquelo.
Hey.
Another money.
And Suelo.
Baby and I have been finding money all
Ah, dear.
long.
Car hungry. Yeah.
Listen, I might have a couple of hundred if I keep picking up money along the way.
Where's the money there, yard? Not even foreign me to walk and see some money.
I'm good luck charm, because I've been picking up more money since she's been here.
Oh, Javi.
Hey, wait a minute. Here we go. Look at
Cheese and peace.
Again. Hey.
Saving. I saw me saving pan full of brother. Oh, my word. Yeah. I better pick them up. Watch out again.
Yep, he found one.
And there. Yeah, man, I hit, man. Hold on, Cara reverse. I hit. So, this is like just the art of the town and thing. So, we can't even go outside for the outskirts and all of them things there. You see me, I say?
We got time.
So, the shop, oh, you want to get the KFC, don't it?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Yeah, all right then. We'll walk through this, so might as well we just go through, make it go up that side, we can cross the road. Aquelo! We're not scared though. Beggar run there. You understand? We're not scared though. This way we go. Aquelo. Yo, y'all gonna see everybody. Y'all see everybody in our chat. Aquelo. Yeah, man. The whole Ochi fame. So, what the plaza name again? 8 Rivers Plaza.
So we are over here.
We got 8 Rivers. We got 8 Rivers Plaza.
8 Rivers Plaza. 8 Rivers Plaza.
So we are get the KFC. Gina, you have company, you know? Easily, you know?
So we are
I understand.
8 Rivers Plaza.
8 Rivers Plaza.
And we're gonna try some Jamaican KFC, guys. I've been hearing about the KFC down here in Jamaica.
Well, last time when my grandma went to America, she bring American KFC and give me.
Yeah, how was it?
And it was good.
Yes, it was good.
Did you like it?
It was good. Yeah, I liked it. But Jamaican KFC is more like spicy.
Nice,
It's
more
more
flavor.
seasoned.
Nice, more flavor. Yeah.
Okay. Now I've had KFC in Aruba, and I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the best KFCs I've ever had.
Well, Jamaica is going to be the best.
Okay, so Jevy said it with the $3 signs that KFC I'm about to eat in Jamaica is gonna be way better than the one I had in Aruba.
You hear that?
What?
Gina said the best KFC she had was in Aruba. So, we actually, me personally, let me take my shades down. Me enjoy the other KFC them, like in a Maypen. So we're not sure what I want to stay, but we are going to test it out. Not true? Look good now, man.
Fabian, you didn't taste KFC when you were in America, did
No,
you? Oh,
not at all. Me try some different kind of food.
So next time,
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna have to take you for KFC.
Me eat one burger. Now, what you call that? The cheese thing what me didn't have. I mean,
Cheese steak.
what name? Cheese steak.
Yeah.
He loved that cheese.
Man! Yo, me eat off that in about 3-4 seconds. I made up of harder another one. I say, yo, this one off the road.
I said, can I get a piece? He said, me done. I'm like, you done it?
Yo, hey, mad! Where do you have cheese steak pizza?
It's called
cheese steak.
Cheese steak.
It come
Cheese
on
steak.
Cheese steak.
Yeah. So it's something like a meatloaf with cheese.
No, it's like
No, we have something here, meatloaf.
you guys don't have steakums here, right?
Yeah.
It's like steakums
Yeah?
with cheese and peppers and onions. Yeah.
Boy, may I tell her?
Toasted hoagie roll. Yeah.
That was, and then he hot enough, I'm like him just
Right off the
dish
grill.
it up right bro.
Yeah.
That did, and then me did hungry.
You have the street
Again?
food one. Yes,
Yep.
that's the best one.
Mad, brother. So yeah, look good. So see sign there? So they call this Ocho Rios Boulevard.
Yeah, Dunn River, Pork, Maria, we put Antonio that way.
Yeah, you can read, man.
Abby, let me tell you something.
What school you go?
Dunn's River yesterday.
Brownstone High.
Brownstone, how you go? You hear that? Gina said she climbed Dunn River Falls yesterday. You want to hear a story?
Oh,
Yeah?
Me too.
No, but did you make it all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately,
He said I made it all the way up. Unfortunately, I made it halfway. But I did it still, right?
you know that part where it's kind of deep?
Yeah.
Yes, I fell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
You go up and you go underneath the road.
Yeah.
You pass underneath the road.
Yeah.
You go up far then. She had to stop right there.
Yeah, that's where I ended it, right there.
Yeah. She ended up to stop right there, bro.
I climbed all of it.
You want to see that video there? Wait till we're ready for it.
Yes.
Gina, we are to. Gina outdid herself at Dunn River.
Hey, you heard Mr. Drug said, good body. Hey.
Good body, girl.
Hey, good body. Hey.
Hey, Jason, we don't know you have to tap that now, you know, boy. You have to keep up.
Let me do my little crip walk.
I don't know how.
Grip.
No.
Okay, dog. Yeah, but if we there watching, and but those says it's been a while because I don't know from a press a record button, I'm not press it back in them, I'm lucky half back, so we just a walk and showcase the vibe in a Ochi.
Beautiful
And
day.
thing.
Such a beautiful
Great
day.
day. We're there with Jason and Gina and Jevy.
With the $3.
Yeah. Me new look a brother. You understand?
Yes.
So we're there. Look what go on. We could go. What a day. Eh?
I'm gonna get like a number 9.
Yeah man, no problem man. Me and you go connect from them. I tell you, say, I'm look a brother. I'm look a brother from today.
Yeah, so
You see me?
anytime like you come
Other side that me link you.
Yeah, you can call me or link.
We link up.
Oh my gosh.
I want clean man. Come like I want mini island to turn around.
So how is the water supposed to go through freely?
No nowhere.
Swarming one.
You know, so from time to time they clean you out, then just don't clean out here as often enough.
Okay.
Yeah. But sometimes when you have all heavy rain, that wash them man, and gone.
Oh, okay.
But then probably wait for that, I don't know. But that for real clean out, that's water can flow.
Okay.
Super free.
We have Boxfield.
Yeah. We're gonna take you through that lane there and go round on the plaza. Alright? We're not using a pedestrian crossing, we just wait until the traffic free. We run crossing.
Like on the
No, Gina not gonna move so fast.
Yes, sir, but it just bugs me out. There are no stop signs, no lights to let you know when to go. You just run first. That's it.
Yeah. We're having it, but we just not have enough.
Alright, that's slow. So
This slow.
2
Come in.
go.
How we this?
Right, because I pay attention.
Right. I'm going to see.
God obey.
I'll wait for that one there.
Right.
And then we run. See all the brother I stop and give with the blind. I could say, yeah, the taxi and all. Alright, we this. Respect you, my teacher. Big up. Go through.
That was nice of him to let us go.
Respect, bro.
That's like the second time that's happened. Somebody
Yeah,
actually let us go.
Him know,
Like,
say.
give up like.
Yeah.
Give a blind.
He knows if him probably.
Give a blind?
Yeah.
In a Jamaica.
Right.
If him probably not give, we probably turn up this for a while to go run, go cross.
Right.
Go like 3 minutes.
Yeah. Alright, so we just dip on the back end there, so Lord Jesus, me take back that. we dip on the side skirt. Just say you may say, oh we dip on the back end. Why?
No, I
Bona.
Got it, what you say?
Yeah.
No.
Bona. Jevy bust out a lot. Which back end? We dip on the side skirt, that all. Burn up. What a why? Popcorn when I say why?
Boy, I gotta take that back.
Why? So this is
He said rewind.
yeah, this is the KFC drive through.
Well, don't know we Jamaicans. Anytime we go in a KFC, I like KFC full.
You guys drive through.
Well, you know, like some people now, we just run guy drive through to get pick up. Or if they don't have no car.
Yeah.
Well, if the KFC full, if you go inside now, and the KFC full, everybody a ton back.
So if you go in there, the full of you, we are saying guy window go by there, then you tell it to you. You better know. Alright, so this is the KFC. You know what I mean? As the plaza at the front of the video, we are telling us a Fontana over here, juicy patties, the KFC,
well,
bunch of
this
things.
is like a whole mini mart. Like you can say it's a mart, but
Shopping center.
yeah, shopping center.
Yeah.
Well, at first when we did talk, it was like a plaza. So you can say a plaza there, big plaza.
Everything.
Okay, so like I said, guys, we are at KFC.
Javi, lead the way now, man.
Let's
We're entrance.
go see what the hype is about.
You can go in there.
50 years of finger licking French.
50 years. 50 years, you lick your finger for.
Really?
So Gina, KFC. We're going to see which one better, Aruba or Jamaica. Yeah. See full of one. Where is that? Where's that?
Over there. Over there inside.
Sorry.
Alright, no problem. I could go on. Yeah, I want to go on. So you hear that?
Hang up. Okay.
Good in America, though. Yeah. Alright, so massive. I want to hear that. They say no video inside the KFC still, but you don't know. Me need my brother go through about the details, so we just go say we are going to wait for Gina them till them forward. I love them, my teacher, man. Big up and respect. No, Joe. I don't really want to take them on to the car. Them know. Because clearly, you know, you see, if you're going to one public place like this and them tell you no video, you have to say, where them have to hide. You understand? Yeah, but I don't really want to go through that because I get to security fast. And the security fault, I must wait and tell the security them. You see me? But we could have hide and go in and video see away now. But I don't even feel like me I go through that.
Sorry,
you see me? But big up and respect. I hear you with them.
Yeah.
No good? That is it, teacher them, man. So, Javi, we outside. Them are going by the line long in them. I don't know them all get through right now still. So, here me I go do. Me I go show them a little bit of the. Me I go show them a little bit of the plaza here. And we circle them, you see me? Do me a beg, go tell them, say, they know charge the vehicle park, so me I go walk down for the rest of Plaza them. Go on and forward. Just tell them say we go walk the rest of business them and come back. Yeah. So it's a vibe same way, it's an energy. And the place is beautiful. Today is a hot day. Hot summer day, because me I tell you, rainfall one night and it even look like by the time we go outside the place, dry. Yeah.
When you post the one then?
You know, so I try my best to see if I can do that one a weekend do a teacher. Yeah. Just a showcase to guess them through all of Ochi. Tell them? Yeah. Alright, we're good to go. Guidance again on the ground and safety, bro. Yeah. So Gina and Jason are by me to go showcase the plaza a little bit and showing it just a little snippet.
So when you are going to come back out?
You know, I'm going there for a little while and thing. Machine.
So you're there tomorrow?
I should be.
Should be?
Yeah, man.
So, which way are you going to start the intro tomorrow?
No, I don't know if I'm going to do the town. I think me do it out today. We just I eat that. I'm going to find somewhere else to go and showcase. You see me? So Sakura,
juicy patties,
Cafe Blue, there so. What we sit down there so? Where you can get a Sagicor ATM and thing.
Well, if you never did recognize, you have upstairs.
Yeah, a whole heap of building, man, upstairs and downstairs. And I try to look for which one that? I have Fantana there so too.
Yeah, pharmacy. Yeah, progressive.
Progressive foods. Oh, progressive foods there.
We have Payless, Island,
What was it
Island.
What that? Island radiology.
Yeah,
That look like our radiology place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice little shopping center. Is it? Great Fantana. Yeah.
From there, I just see them car.
Jet tour man, nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Nice piece of machine, man. I like them too enough to tell you God truth. Feel like me that beat one.
I got that car.
Yeah. You have a Haval? Haval.
Haval?
Yeah. So see it's a progressive food. Oh yeah, progressive food there so. And the thing. As a supermarket, I have Payless. I have what that meal pack that come. I don't know what kind of place that look like.
BHL.
Oh, it's a carrier company. Yeah, man. So, yeah. A reason we'll jab a little bit right there, so. And thing. Rockstone, how are you going? How are you? See, man, I run on me here saying lick. Watch out, I'm on drive in a building. Watch out. But I see a woman, I see security at all to right now, so look like a lady. A lady lose control and drive in a building to blow out. Then see a lady, I see security them attack about like a vehicle that gives some problem. What is? Yo, I just see security them attack to her about something in a van shut off and thing. I look there now. Watch out. She runs straight into the building. Oh my word. Yo, I just see security them attack to her about and the van still shut off in a... I just see security them attack to her. Say van shut off in a road. What happened? What happened? Something must did go wrong, man. You alright?
Oh my God. Oh, go and sit down. Just relax.
Yeah, okay, oh my word. So, one thing what like people them with the day, so nobody not getting hurt?
I got you.
Yo, we not just pass online right there, sir. And that me I say. Yo. It was a line, we just passed the line. Security, me just even shut off the sign and then he start back and thing and... Oh my word, bro.
Somewhere the van was parking in this road?
No, she was right there in the road, shut off. And a line of vehicle behind her and the security them that talk to her and thing and she get it start. So it look like she a try park now and it just... So it look like some malfunction that going on with the van.
So where is she?
She see her down there, so the security them a walk with her go down there, so. Something clearly did wrong with the van, not true, Jevy?
Yeah, because she said she had pressing the brake instead of gas. You wouldn't press the brake so fast.
Yeah, something a go wrong with this. But this brother I miss it too, you know. Let me see if him
catch him.
Oh, it's catchy. I'm glad it's not worse than that. Ah boy. This is crazy, yo. I'm glad it's not worse than this. Jaja no. Hear that? Oh my God. Bro, I was filming. I filmed the entire thing, brother. We don't just pass her right there, so. Yeah. And the van shut off in the road. And it look like she come right up as so.
No, like yesterday when me did a pass, like, but it's
she just started.
Right here, so.
She just started. And by the time she started. Yo. A park, it look like a space that she a parking. Like, and
just see somebody just...
yeah, but my thing is, all of the people that miss the van where did the writers. That me a talk about. Me just pass the line, bro. Me I look on it and I say, oh, the people that miss that. Bro. The amount of people in our line, I said, I don't know how they missed this a while ago, bro. Yo. Let me not tell you, man, the same to me, I say. Don't move here. Say no catch fire.
No man. Transmission is slick. Take your time.
Why this could have go really bad, you know, brother? Yeah, take some video instead. Take some video instead. Take your time. Take your time. Yo!
Look at the damage.
Brother, and even that, me talk about the people them where they did in the line. I don't know how they miss it.
Me like suppose somebody did get it.
Jeez.
Well, yes.
Yo.
Funny for God, bro.
Bro. This is crazy. No, the line, yo, people did in the line, like loads of people did in the line. I don't know how them seats are fast to move.
So they did in the line?
Yeah, people in the line.
People in the line.
Me at the Jamaica walk by and me video people in the line. Just a while ago, the car shut off in the road right there so. And the lady try to start the car. Just as we pass the security, them help her start the car. So it look like a park shop park in the same spot there, whatever go on, and it just kick.
The shut off?
Yeah, the shut off right there on the road and she did just pass it.
I jumped it up off.
But no, she turned, she look like she parking at this. Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Yes, maybe my guest can in now, but it doesn't.
Yo. Bro, bro, she's stopping at the road with all the line of traffic behind her. So she feel like she couldn't start it, then she started. Right. I'm a pass her and she take time and drive come. So look like she turn in for parking a year or so now. And probably it does make some. She then carry her gone down there. So she shake up bad man. She shake up bad man. Jaja no. Javi, I people them in the line. I don't know how they miss that. But God. Yeah, me see people them run off. Me see people run off, man. Bro. Oh, so you, yeah, you did that as a too. You're in the line too. Cheat up. I don't see how you end up like that unless you have power. Park shit up, look at your park shop park.
Come round so good and alright, and I come round.
We just pass our shut off. Tell them. Yo, this is crazy, brother. Yo, no, sir. I don't know how me always the on them scene, brother. Jaja no. Why, Javi? Brother, we didn't even worry about this. Just God say them not get hurt, bro. Trust me. It's crazy.
I watch her come and bring the seat, man. If he's not right. And then just throw her.
Oh, I missed that.
Come on, fair care of mine. I just the color.
Yo, bro, like, I'm not even here. Like, we just see people. Like,
yo, this is crazy. Me hear it when they lick. And me see people them run out.
Not even here, only thing we hear.
Security. Me at the Jamaica walk by, me just pass here. I talk to the ladies and me see she start back in van and start back it up. I say, I come to third road and I look for her and I say, I want to van because I see about 3 or 4 vehicles behind her. Yeah. By the time I reach, I saw that be here. Why me that? Me don't do something. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Me not tell me just walk, brother. Me don't know. Every time me always in the pan scene for some of them are sitting here. Me don't know, G, but bro, me I'll video the line. Me video the line to see people them there at the ATM line, the school, the surgery core, and pass, see van, park, van, shut off and stuff. But me not tell you. Bro, me go foreign. Me go foreign, bro. And they pan the parkway when them have the West Indies parade, bro. And how much people get shot like meters away from me. And me, they pan the scene, all the police them. Me don't know, brother. I saw video things there, bro. Me don't know. Every single time, accident, drop down, shot, kid. Me don't know, bro. Massive, yo, hold on. Me can't make this up. We can't make this up. A lie? We can't make this up. Yo, it's like me didn't bother going to the KFC. Me just say, go walk and showcase the Plaza. and tragedies too. Ah, this is crazy. Yo, massive, we soon forward because Jason and Gina soon forward out of the KFC. I hope that she alright and she not shake up. I hope that they carry her to a doctor or hospital so she can get a good checkup. She not jerk up, she not lick up her chest, have no internal bleeding or none of that and thing. You see me? First me did think I clamp them, did clamp her wheel, you know. And I say no, but I start me here the van I start, you see me? So I said Jaja no. But we there out here and we show them what go on in a Jamaica.
You remember
Jaja
the
no.
last video you did do when you did go Blue Mountain?
Yeah man, that was a serious walk. Yeah bro.
You did go there for 2 days.
Yeah, me dey up there because we ride the ATV. Come here, we go show you so. Yo, that's crazy yo. So massive, Ocho Rios. You see me, Ocho Rios. There you have it massive, you know what I mean? We walk through the town, we showcase majority of what go on in the town, the place in the town. It's a long video but it was worth it. Good look at energy, bad energy go on same way so. I'm sorry about that so. We are going to wait till Jason and Gina come out of the KFC so we can tell them what go on so. Stay tuned for that. What you say Javi? What you say? Stay tuned, keep watching.
Stay tuned, keep watching.
Man.
Make sure that you like, share and subscribe to Jamaica Walk, right?
You know I crashed. Oh, what a lucky thing that a lady that see a crash in her car. Big up, bro.
How long was the wait, Jason?
At least 30 to 40 minutes.
I'm gonna say about 40 to 50 minutes we had to wait for this chicken. So I feel like I got the golden ticket. I feel like I won a damn lotto. I got my 3-piece big deal. I changed the drink. Jason had requested a fruit punch, but Fabian said no, grape or cold champagne. Hey guys, they got cold champagne at KFC. So got my food. We outside, guys.
Alright, so let me tell you something crazy now. You want to hear what happened? So we just passed a lady, like she had a problem.
Standing there waiting for you.
Him good.
Okay.
Yeah, this man a good man. Yeah, so
Hello.
you don't know, say, pass a lady like a hold up the traffic, bro, in the plaza. Next thing, see security try to assist her. She start the vehicle just as we pass it.
Yeah.
We video over the ATM, long line of people. Next thing we know, by we walk off, we're boom, here too.
She in an accident?
Yeah, well, she ran into the freaking ATM, bro. Yeah.
Machine, yeah.
Like no joke thing. So we check it out. Boom. When we look to see people scattering everywhere and things, so we went down there. The lady just come out of the vehicle, mash up in the ATM. But go take a look, we show her what going on. Go on, man.
So I asked her if she wants some water for drink. And
but she couldn't drink that's soap.
She said, not yet. Hold on for a moment. And that was the end of the security coming to me to tell me, no, she just reacts.
You're sharp. Big up yourself. That's a code. Yeah, bro. Wow. So we have everything on camera. So it's like she has some malfunction, failure or stuff with the vehicle. By the time we reach, the lady park up in the ATM. A man saying, yo, him barely miss it and stuff like that. On camera, brother. Like, let me take you to the crash site if the car is still there. Luckily, nobody was injured, just she probably shaking up. I said I'm going to carry her to the hospital or something because she probably, you don't know if she lick up have no internal bleeding or nothing like that. Oh, this is mad though.
This cola champagne is busting.
Busting. Yeah, so that's the ATM right there. Just like how we pass it with the people them in the line, brother. It's like I couldn't believe that the people them actually miss.
In the line.
Thank God.
Miss the car.
And thing. Kill nobody.
Exactly. And that me I tell her, bro, she's still there. Yeah, the driver's still there. That's the lady in the red top and the brown. Really? She was the one that was driving it.
Oh my God.
I don't even want to make you feel even more worse. She hit one vehicle though. Yeah, dog. So just that. So the people them in the ATM, bro. And this is it. So I just one vehicle catch. I'm glad say it never really all that bad. But damn.
Thank God you're alright.
Yeah, and she alright too. That's a good thing. Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
I never wonder if something is like something probably wrong with the vehicle because I mean as we pass it, she just started.
So fast and go over like that.
Yeah, that's
she didn't get in line yet. Wasn't she here?
Yeah, she was actually looking like at the ATM she didn't want to use. But that means that's how people was lining up, bro.
That's a big crash right there.
Yeah.
Gina,
yeah, bro. So I'm glad to see she alright.
Lucky, man.
It's just that black car over there she catch. The black car there. Just the tail of it.
You think maybe she hit the gas too fast or something?
Yeah, it looks. It looked like because she did shut off right there, saying on the road.
Oh, so she was back there.
Yeah, she was right there. She shut off right there in the road, and the security them assist her, and she start the vehicle. So come like she da come park right in this spot. Boops, something go on, me don't know what go on. It get out of control, probably, yeah, and it just ran up on the whole thing, go straight into the ATM. So that's the side of the car that was parked right here, which is the black car. You see that one? I'll get the look. Yeah, and the guy is pissed because him like it's less than a month now in body work and spray the car, and then now, yeah.
Yo, I'd be mad too.
Yeah, guy's pissed, bro. But man,
I mean, what can you do? At least they're alive.
Yeah,
and nobody
but
was seriously.
I don't know. Let's just make it come this way so we can close this right here. Come in. So massive, there you have it. You see the reaction to what go on. I don't know why it's the same. I just glad say nobody not get hurt and thing. Down there, one Jevy, Jason, Gina.
Yes.
Yeah, for now watch. Gina, them are going to sample the KFC for the first time. A mad thing. Cola, champagne, sick. Where's the Jason?
Yo.
Outside.
Outside, bro.
I'm gonna take your word, little man.
Jevy, respect, bro.
It was such a pleasure meeting you, young man. And wait a minute, we're both cancers. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday.
Shout out to Jevy,
My birthday
guys.
was the other day. And it was such a pleasure meeting you, young man. And I really hope that you stay connected with us on YouTube.
Man.
And the next time we come to Jamaica, we are definitely gonna look for you.
And that's Jevy with $3 signs.
Right, and you know, he's such a good young
Good
man.
boy,
because
man.
A lady inside her phone was falling out of her pocket. And he walked over to the lady to let her know, like, hey, miss, your phone is falling out your pocket. He could have easily let it drop, took it, and walked away.
Good youth.
You on your way, man. Success to you.
That's a
blessings,
code.
And I really hope that our paths cross again. It was so nice meeting you.
Amen.
Jobby with the $3 signs, guys. Go over there and show this young
Show him
man
some
some
love.
love. He walked us around Ocho Rios, what Jamaica walked by. It was absolutely a wonderful walking tour, and you made it even better. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, bro.
That's a code. So yeah, please go over to Jason and Gina and subscribe to Jevy channel. I would as well have vibe. Seeing anything else you want to say to the massive?
I just want to say Ocho Rios is absolutely beautiful. We met some really, really nice people. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Since I've been here, people haven't been like, hey, come over here, but Ocho Rios is a total different vibe. Kingston was a blast, but Ocho Rios was different. The people were so warm and welcoming, and it was genuine. Not because they wanted us to buy something, but genuinely they wanted to talk about the area, what they were selling, their crafts, and it was a vibe, guys. Amazing.
That is it. Jason, what about you?
Yo, all I gotta say is, we outside! Right, Jevy?
Figure that. So yes, massive, there you have it. Jamaica walk by telling you, don't just watch, subscribe to the channel, be safe out there. You know what I mean? That are the key thing. Be safe on the journey. You don't know God will protect you. Don't live out on the yard and not pray for protection. You understand? Yeah. Take time, drive on the road, easy with self, stay out of harm, stay out of danger. You understand? No joke. Don't just watch, subscribe, like the video, and keep on watching. Remember, watch the other videos. Drop a one comment. May I beg you now. 10,000 likes on the video, yeah, so that we can get some more recommendations, so more new people can see it. You
Also remember, comment.
Yeah.
Also remember for comment.
Yeah,
that's all I got to say.
That's the code.
Hit that like button as well.
She blow out a legendary. Easy. Outside me there, Ocho Rios town, Jamaica. Jamaica walk by. Thank you so much for watching. I must say, wait. Don't go nowhere. Hold on there. Let me ring out the telecommunication device. I'm up on the bird. Yeah. So listen. You see right there. Alright. So before I go, I have to big up them people here. No joke, no doubt. I actually made a small list because I keep on forgetting to big up a few persons. So it's not much, but I have to big up them person. First one, big up Kez. Big up Kez. Anywhere you're there in the whole world, big up every time. You don't know, I also big up some guy from Toronto, Cadine Sterling, father and son, Miss Charmaine, Alan Bailey. You don't know, Nick Unstoppable, Diane, I love it, and Nature Adventure JA. So far, I have to big up them people there in this video. Reason being, for my other videos, them stand out when in the comment section, them been on the live, them and then support the thing right through. So other than that, I'm gonna make some other list of persons and I go through my week based on how you talk on the channel and bunch of things. And guess what? We can't left them out, you know, even though they're there from there, see them there, then gonna talk about the KFC chicken and bunch of shit. Jason and Gina. No joke, no doubt. Them there in Jamaica and we have some fun. Art of love. That is it. See? And big up to Jevy and Jevy, whole mother and father and brother and sister, everybody. And everybody else out there, all of my subscribers, all of my members, them, you are no less special. You understand? Everybody where watch Jamaica Walk By, I just want to say thank you all. Follow me on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By YT. If you want to connect, you want to send me a message on Instagram. I'm on TikTok too, but I'm not too use it. But you don't know, Instagram is a must. So thank you again. Art I love, Sun Hat, Jamaica Hat, Jason Hat, I sweat like goat. What? But you don't know a thing. Go. Sip some champagne.
Oh, look.
Cola champagne.
That is
we
it.
Outside.
That is it. Gina.
We outside.
That is it. My. Hey!
Let's do our